Google just rebuilt Chrome, not as a browser, but as a full AI system. It now learns from everything you do online, predicts your next move, and even acts on your behalf. This isn't just a browser update. It's the birth of the world's first AI-powered internet experience. Welcome to the new Chrome, powered by Gemini, the dawn of the AI browser revolution. For years, Google Chrome was simply a window, a fast, lightweight way to explore the web. But in 2025, something extraordinary happened. Chrome didn't just get an upgrade, it evolved. Now, with Gemini integrated deep inside, Chrome has officially become an intelligent agent, capable of understanding, anticipating, and automating your digital life. Think of it as your online co-pilot, an invisible AI sitting inside your browser that watches, learns, and acts. Gemini's neural core. How Chrome became self-aware. At the center of this evolution is Gemini, Google's most advanced AI model. Originally trained for multimodal tasks, text, images, video, and code, Gemini now lives inside Chrome as its neural core. It doesn't just process search queries, it understands context. When you search for best budget cameras, Chrome's AI now recalls your YouTube history, the type of photography you like, your recent shopping habits, and even your location preferences. Then it custom curates your results, sometimes even suggesting the exact camera before you click anything. It's not guessing, it's learning you. Chrome's predictive layer. Reading your digital mind. The new Chrome can predict your next move before you make it. Let's say you watched a YouTube video about Tokyo street food last week. Now, when you open Chrome and type flights, it automatically knows you might be planning a trip to Japan, pulling live flight prices, visa requirements, and local maps right into your tab. This predictive system works through what Google calls contextual web memory, an AI-driven recall mechanism that allows Chrome to remember your browsing behavior across sessions. That means it can recall the websites you visited last week, the YouTube video where you paused at a specific moment, even the product you added to your cart and forgot about. In essence, Chrome has a memory, and that changes everything. AI mode, Chrome's supercharged Omnibox. You know that search bar, the Omnibox? It just became a command center. Turn on AI mode, and suddenly the Omnibox isn't just for URLs or searches. It's a real-time assistant powered by Gemini. You can now ask it complex questions like, summarize the 5 best articles I read about renewable energy this week. Compare all my bookmarked laptops under $1,000. Find that YouTube video where I watched a tutorial on camera lighting. Gemini responds instantly, often within seconds, pulling from your browsing history, saved sessions, and live web data. This is Chrome transforming from a tool you control into a partner that works with you. The rise of background agents. But what really sets Chrome apart is its autonomous task execution. Gemini isn't just answering questions, it's doing things. Want to book a meeting? Gemini can automatically sync your calendar, find a suitable time, check maps for travel distance, and even draft your confirmation email, all in the background. Need to buy a gadget? It compares prices, checks reviews, applies coupons, and fills in checkout details with secure AI autofill. It's like having a digital personal assistant inside your browser, constantly working while you scroll. AI security, scam blocking, and auto password changes. Security has always been Chrome's strength, but now it's AI-powered. Using Gemini Nano, a lightweight on-device version of Gemini, Chrome can detect phishing pages, scam pop-ups, and fake shopping websites in real time. If a login page looks suspicious, it instantly warns you. If your password is compromised, Chrome can now change it automatically for supported sites like Spotify, Netflix, and H&M. No clicks needed. This marks a new era where AI defends you proactively, not reactively. Google calls it Adaptive Security Mode, and it's built directly into Chrome's AI engine, Chrome's AI memory, the web that remembers you. This is where it gets a little scary and a lot fascinating. Chrome's Gemini memory engine allows it to retain your web patterns across days, weeks, or even months. It knows what you frequently search. It knows the topics you drop and return to. It knows which YouTube creators you prefer, which news sources you trust, and what hours you're most productive online. This enables Chrome to build a personal knowledge graph about you, a constantly evolving dataset that Gemini uses to predict intent and improve relevance. Google promises that this memory remains private and encrypted on your device unless you opt into Cloud Sync. But the implications are massive. For the first time, a browser has long-term recall. Deep integration. With Google's ecosystem, Gemini-powered Chrome isn't isolated. It's connected to every Google service. When you type an address, Chrome links it directly to Google Maps for navigation. When you add a task, it syncs instantly with Google Calendar. And when you start writing an email, it predicts your text using Gemini Assist, the same AI that powers Gmail's Smart Compose. Even YouTube is now linked more deeply. Chrome can jump to the exact moment in a video you saw earlier, or summarize an entire playlist. Chrome is no longer the middleman between you and Google. It is Google. Web automation and multi-step commands. One of the most powerful new abilities is AI flow execution. You can now tell Chrome, book me a 2-hour slot with the dentist near my office next Thursday, and add it to my calendar. Chrome will search local clinics, cross-reference reviews, match your availability, and confirm the booking. Or say, find me the top 3 mechanical keyboards under Rs $5,000, compare specs, and alert me if prices drop this week. Gemini runs that workflow, silently, using background tabs, APIs, and your search preferences. That's not automation, that's agency. Privacy mode versus predictive mode. With great power comes the question, how much does it know? Google introduced a dual system, private mode, where memory and predictions are disabled. Predictive mode, where Chrome learns and acts. You can toggle between them anytime. In predictive mode, Chrome behaves like your personal AI, helping you across Gmail, Drive, Docs, and YouTube. In private mode, it returns to classic Chrome. No memory, no learning, no data retention. This dual structure is Google's answer to growing AI privacy concerns. Gemini Nano and on-device intelligence. The brains behind this local AI are powered by Gemini Nano, the compact model that runs directly on your device. It performs tasks like grammar correction while typing, summarizing long articles offline, voice command recognition in real time, on-device scam and phishing detection. It's fast, private, and doesn't need an internet connection for most tasks. Nano is designed to bring the power of Gemini without sending your data to the cloud. Chrome as the gateway to the AI internet. For decades, the internet was passive. You searched, clicked, and consumed. Now, Chrome turns it into a living, learning, interactive environment. This is more than convenience, it's control. Gemini inside Chrome means every web page, search result, and app is now part of a connected AI ecosystem. And for billions of users worldwide, Chrome might be their first real meeting with artificial intelligence. That's why experts are calling it the gateway to the AI internet. The bigger picture. Google's master plan. This integration is not accidental. It's part of Google's grand shift toward ambient AI. The idea that AI should be everywhere, but invisible. Chrome is the perfect host for that vision. It sits at the center of your digital life, connecting your Gmail, YouTube, Drive, Calendar, Maps, and Docs. Now, with Gemini running underneath, Google controls the flow of interaction, turning your browser into a cognitive interface. The same AI that answers your questions could soon run your day. The risks, data, dependence, and digital identity. But this future comes with questions. If Chrome knows what you read, buy, and think, where do we draw the line? What if AI predictions start shaping our decisions rather than helping them? What if advertisers use Chrome's memory system to target behavior patterns you're not even aware of? Google insists that Gemini's learning is ethical, transparent, and user-controlled. Still, as Chrome becomes the mediator between you and the web, it also becomes the most powerful filter of reality ever built. The web will adapt to you, but you may also adapt to it. The future. The end of the traditional browser. If you look closely, you'll realize this isn't an update. It's a paradigm shift. The age of traditional browsers is ending. Soon, you won't just open the web. You'll converse with it. You'll ask Chrome to plan, create, analyze, and act, while it learns in the background, tailoring the digital world to your needs. In a sense, Chrome is no longer the tool you use to access the internet. It's becoming the AI that defines how you experience it. For over a decade, Chrome was the world's window to the web. But with Gemini inside, it's no longer just showing you the internet. It's shaping it around you. So the real question isn't what Chrome can do. It's how ready we are for an internet that knows us better than we know ourselves. This is the AI browser era, and it's only just begun.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.